Hello guys, and I just wanted to show something that, well, basically me and my mom is cooking. And this, oh god, it looks super, the colors are super vibrant on the camera. They are pretty vibrant in real life as well, but not this vibrant as in on camera. But anyways, it's one chorizo. Let me just start how you start off with this. We used a little bit of non-flavored coconut oil just to cover the bottom. Then we threw in some, not garlic, onion. Some onion, diced onion. Let it simmer. Throw in some diced onion, dried meat stock, and one chorizo, obviously sliced. Let that cook until the chorizo is kinda done. You then throw in your greens, and what we used was one that was like a wok mix that contains a lot of different shit. Then we also throw in some broccoli and some cauliflower. And then because all of these were frozen, and then after like a minute or two, we then threw in diced, because the liquid is from crushed tomato. So that is the liquid. And then after a little while of that, we throw in some cheese. Around 75 grams of cheese, something like that. And then I just threw in some spices. I'm just throwing some persilja, some gurkmeja, which I don't know what that is called in English. Some ginger. I threw in a little bit of paprika, a tiny amount of chili flakes, because I don't want it to be spicy, but I want it to have something, with the chorizo and a little bit of chili flakes. It should have a little bit of spice, but I don't want it to be spicy. That is not the flavor I'm looking for. That is not the flavor I'm looking for in this specific meal. And then some black pepper. And that's that. This is my breakfast, basically. Because I'm trying something new. I'm trying I'm eating between the times of 10 to 10 or 10 to 8, depending on. This is my first meal today since I woke up not long ago. And it's 16:51. So, because after the video I made, which was called "Why Do I Sin?" or "Why Am I Degenerate?" I think that is what the video was called. After I uploaded that, I fell asleep. Which is why that video, it was unlisted. I upload videos unlisted. And then after it had been uploaded, I then put them into, because you can't put things into playlist or anything when you upload them directly from your phone. You have to wait for them to be uploaded, and then you can do all of that. So that's what I do. So it wasn't uploaded at the time when I wanted it to be uploaded, but oh well. And yeah, I mean, this is done, I would say. It's pretty much done, because I mean, the vegetables only have to not be cold, because I don't want the vegetables to be like super cooked. I just want them to be warm. And the chorizo, since you start off with almost making them done, basically you're frying them in onion and meat stock, basically. And I mean, as you could see, this is a lot. It becomes a lot because you put a little bit of that, a little bit of this, I would say it's kind of like maybe, let's say 50 or 75 grams of the assorted greens, probably like 75 grams of broccoli, probably 50, let's be honest. Probably 50 of each of these. You know, because I just put half of what was left in the bag. And what was left in the bag was probably, let's say, I think the bags are 500 grams. And I think it probably was 200 left. So I probably put 100 each. Except for the soy greens. It was probably like 50. But yeah, that's it. Alright, time to actually taste it a bit. I mean, what do I think? Well, I think it's gonna be good. I did deliberately not put in a lot and lots of spices or herbs or anything like that. Because I wanted, the actual tomato flavor and some from the cheese and all that. So I wanted that to be the main flavor. So I don't think, I did put a lot of persilja. Persilja. Then if it is persilja in English, I don't know. But let's get a little bite here. I'm expecting this to be super fucking warm or hot, but yes, it's really hot. But it's good. I like it. I could have put in a bit more of the spices, because I barely taste them. I would say I don't taste them, but maybe that's good actually, because they are just there to enhance some flavors and just... So maybe it was good actually. Now I'm gonna taste a little bit with one chorizo slice. Yeah, that's good. I actually like that. So when you don't get the chorizo, it's not like super. You don't get you don't get basically any spice. But the times then you get the chorizo, that's when you get you get spice. So I like that. I like the, if I want a bite with spice, I get a chorizo slice. If I don't want, I get one without. So yeah, it was good. I would recommend people trying it.